Welcome to the apple orchard overflowing with fruit. A place where nature bestows delicious sweetness, bringing us an abundant harvest filled with joy. Join Nature's Bounty Farm as we explore this apple orchard, where the hard work of the farmers, combined with the blessings of the earth, has created these incredible fruits. Today Nature's Bounty Farm will take you to an apple orchard overflowing with fruit. A place where nature bestows delicious sweetness, bringing us an abundant harvest filled with joy. This apple orchard is like a vibrant oil painting, with the bright red of ripe apples intermingling with the fresh green of the leaves. Oh! Look! These apples are so tempting. Plump and juicy. Their delicious aroma makes anyone want to take a bite. These apples are like precious gems, each one carefully tended by the hard-working hands of farmers. Picking apples is hard work, but the joy and happiness it brings are indescribable. Seeing the farmers happily picking apples, we can feel the sweetness of the harvest. Besides hard work, farmers are also very smart, using modern tools to harvest apples quickly and efficiently. The apple wagon keeps rolling, as if it's carrying sweetness to everyone. Watching the farmers happily picking apples, we can feel the sweetness of the harvest, the abundance of the earth, and the diligence of humanity. From the orchard, these delicious apples are transported to the collection point, ready to be delivered to consumers. Each apple holds a story of the farmer's care and hard work. Of sunshine, wind, and gentle rain. Imagine holding one of these apples in your hand, feeling its crispness, tasting its sweet freshness, and smelling its delicate fragrance. You'll surely feel relaxed and comfortable. The sight of the tractor carrying apples along dirt roads, amidst rows of green apple trees, creates a picturesque and peaceful scenery. The hard work and creativity of the farmers have brought us quality apples, contributing to the prosperity of the country and creating a better life. Sweet and refreshing, the apples bring us a sense of joy and happiness. Enjoy these apples and savor the sweetness of the harvest. Nature's Bounty Farm hopes this video has brought you enjoyable experiences of rural life, of farmers' hard work and dedication, and of the delicious and sweet apples. Join Nature's Bounty Farm to explore more fascinating things about rural life, about traditional values, and about enthusiastic farmers. Follow Nature's Bounty Farm channel for the latest updates on apple orchards and rural life.